Hi, today is shampoo day. So I take some warm soapy water. I put my shampoo directly into the water and get it all lathered up and pop my topper in and then just work that soapy water throughout the hair and scrub the cap a little bit and then scrub through, get that soap all the way through the ends and then give it a really good rinse, running it under some nice lukewarm water to get all that soap out. Then I take my conditioner and just run that through the ends of the hair, working it all the way through. And then I just try and do it for at least 5 minutes. And then after that, then I give it another quick rinse with lukewarm water, making sure to get all that conditioner out. And be sure to use sulfate-free, good quality shampoo and conditioner when you're doing this. So there it is. Give it a good rinse, making sure that you get all of that conditioner out of the hair. You don't want to have any residue left in there. So give it a really good rinse through. And then once you've got all that conditioner out, just gently squeeze the hair and get the moisture out. And then I like to take it and lay it on a towel and then just press that towel down. Just squeeze out any moisture that's still left in there and give it a light brush through with my detangling brush. And then just squeeze some more of the moisture out with the towel. And then I like to put in some leave-in conditioning treatment just through the ends, very little bit. Just take that and work it through the ends of the hair and then just pop it on the wig stand and I let it air dry for just a little bit before I then heat style it. Before I get started with any kind of heat styling, I always use a heat protectant spray on the topper hair, and then I like to use the airbrush type hair dryer. That way I have a free hand to maneuver around and hold on to the topper hair whilst using the air drying brush to comb through and dry all of the hair. And then I just keep working around the topper until I have it completely dry. And then I like to do a little curl in with the hair drying brush. It does take a little bit of time to get the completely dry. Then I give it a quick brush through and then I use my curling iron and I just work my way through the whole topper, curling it away from my face and then continue curling here until I have it how I like it. So that's how I style my topper after I've given it a wash. Just blow dry it and put some curl in it. Super easy.